Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from MEXC to your bank account. If this helps you, hit like so more people can find it. MEXC doesn't support direct fiat withdrawals to a bank, but you can use their P2P platform to sell crypto for cash without fees. Alternatively, you can transfer your crypto to another exchange that supports bank withdrawals. First, log into your MEXC account on the website. Complete any captcha or email verification to access your account. Next, transfer the crypto you want to sell to your fiat account on MEXC. By default, the transfer page is set to futures account, so switch it to fiat account, select your crypto, enter the amount, and click transfer. If it's your first time, set up a payment method by going to More, then User Center, then Add Payment Method. Fill in your bank account details and confirm. Once your payment method is ready, go to the Home tab and select P2P Trading. Switch from Buy to Sell, choose the crypto you want to sell, and select a buyer or merchant from the available options. Complete the trade following the prompts, and the money will be sent to your bank account via the buyer's payment. That's it. Using MEXC P2P is an easy way to cash out your crypto. If this helped you, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.